لقد صدق الله رسوله الرؤيا بالحق لتدخلن المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين لتدخلن.
So I've entered in front of Zamzam Tower, this Malik Abdulaziz gate. Nobody has checked my permit as yet. So this is the way I've been told to enter into Haram Sharif. So finally found the entry point to Mataaf. It's coming from Malik Abdulaziz or Malik Fahad gate actually. You can come from Malik Fahad gate as well inside to Mataaf. Well, until now no questions asked, no permits checked, smooth as anything. MashaAllah, you can see Kaaba, very few Mu'tamirin doing Tawaf. There are a lot of Mu'tamirin sitting here doing their Nawafil, but Mataaf is virtually empty. Zamzam water is being distributed in bottles. You can very clearly see Hajar Aswad. You can do your start. Piece of cake, less than 10 minutes. It was very easy to find a place near to pray to record Makkah. The only thing is Makkah is still pretty hot, 38 degrees centigrade. So wearing your mask is a bit of a hassle. I'm sweating in the moment, and as people who have put on the mask below their nose, they are continuously being reminded to put it back up properly. Inshallah, going to the next step. I'm going towards Mas'a to start my sa'i. Remember I told you about nobody checking my permit as yet. Maybe a mistake or something, but when I was doing tawaf, I did not notice a single person without ihram doing tawaf. It means there are checks in place definitely to prevent people without permit to come in. So these rules are for your own safety and benefit. Please follow the rules. Please definitely get a permit before coming in and keep it handy if anybody asks. Inshallah, next step starting soon.
المسجد الحرام إن شاء الله آمنين محلقين رؤوسكم ومقصرين لا تخافون.
Similar to Tawaf, there's not much hassle in Sa'i area. Seems very comfortable, easy, not a lot of people. People are walking with distance, mask on. Inshallah, this should be okay as well, without any hassles. Let me start and do my prayers. I'll connect once I'm done to give you my feedback. Thank you. Yeah, two important things. The Zamzam fountain is open here, so you can pray. You can drink Zamzam. And I've seen some wheelchairs, self-driving wheelchairs going on, so you can hire one. If you want, there'll be one passing by just now. You can see that. So, all in all, not a big deal. I think Sa'i should be very easy. We're now present in Clock Tower building, the ground floor mall. Very few shops are open. You can see the date stalls. They're all closed. Siafa date, Rajum, Jumara. Very few shops open, but you can get by, I guess. I think the important thing is to find out whether there are any food stalls open or not. That will be a challenge. And update, you can actually go inside the masjid for praying any farz namaz. There's no restriction, there's no permit required, nobody's checking permit. The only thing is I tried to go in seeing some other small kids going with their parents. I took my 4-year-old and 10-year-old. but they were spotted out by the security. The security said, no, they cannot go. You have to go out of the courtyard even and pray on the road. So anybody looking elder than like 12 years old, there's nobody asking for any permit. You can go in, inshallah. Update on Isha prayer. We came in. They were checking the permit, although not in detail. We came in and they allowed us here in the basement of King Fahad Gate. So you can come here, the female can pray behind these shelves and male can pray here. And you can see there's quite a bit of distance between two musallis. So there's a gap of a row between two musallis. So there's a fair bit of a distance. Very nice distancing has been observed.
فعلم ما لم تعلموا فجعل من دون ذلك فتحا